Guys, I am doing some meal prep, and so I thought that I would show you my quick and easy method for boiling and peeling eggs. I hate peeling eggs, but I have a really cool method to make it super easy, so I thought I would share it with you guys. What I'm going to do to start, first off, excuse my voice, I have a head cold, so anyway, trying to struggle on through this, but just wanted to share this with you. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs in the pot here, and I'm going to put enough water just to cover the eggs. And I'm going to turn my heat up to high, and once it starts actually boiling, it gets a good boil going, I'm going to set my timer for exactly 10 minutes. So once it starts boiling, set your timer for exactly 10 minutes. They are done boiling, so I'm going to pour out the hot water, and I'm going to replace it with regular temperature water, and then I will show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I removed them from the heat, and I poured out the hot water, replaced just to cover them with regular, room temperature water, and I'm going to cover them. I'm going to put some ice in here, just enough to cover the eggs. All right, and then I'm going to set my timer now, again, for 15 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that you have cooled the eggs in the ice water, I'm going to put them in a strainer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pot that I used to boil them, and I'm going to put an egg in, and I'm going to shake it like this. You want it to kind of bounce around inside the pot. Alright, once you've bounced it around inside the pot, you can take the egg out, and as you can see, the peeling will come right off. Super easy. Boom. Rinse it off. Boiled egg. Put another one in. Bang it around. Pull it out, and as you can see, peeling comes right off. No picking it, nothing. Super easy to do. I cook a lot of eggs because I'm doing the keto diet, and this makes my life so much easier. I can peel, 10 eggs